Hey RunDisney fans, race day is getting closer. What's changed in the last few days? Let's find out. Hey guys, Kate here with Race Ready Weather. So RunDisney, the big weekend is getting closer. Thought we would take a look at what's happened in the last few days with the weather. And the biggest thing I can say, well, the best thing I can say is that the extended models that we look out have definitely come into more agreement. So confidence is growing that what I'm about to tell you is actually going to happen now over the course of the next week. The biggest change has been the temperatures have been trending warmer. So if you've been checking your phone app religiously for the last few days, you probably noticed that the low temps have been trending upward, especially on Thursday and Friday. So let's break it down day by day. Okay, so starting off with the 5K on Thursday. So this day has had the biggest change in temperatures out of all four of them actually. Nothing crazy, but the high pressure that looked like it was going to keep things pretty chilly Thursday morning is not quite as strong a little bit further north. So basically what that translates to for you guys racing the 5K is that low temps are probably going to be closer to 60 at race time as opposed to the 40s a few days ago. Wind should still be light, so all in all I think it looks like a great race morning for you. Just be aware it's going to be a little bit warmer now. Okay, 10K day on Friday. So humidity is going to come up a little bit, which is going to mean the temperatures aren't going to drop quite as much Friday morning. So it'll be a little bit warmer, still very comfortable. Mid-60s start, winds light, under 10 knots out of east, southeast. So again, looks like another good race day for you guys. Remember we talked about in the last video, Saturday was looking a little bit more humid, and that really hasn't changed. So even up a little bit from Friday morning. Low temps probably upper 60s to near 70 start for your race. Winds are going to be out of southeast, a little bit stronger, probably that early in the morning, maybe around 10 knots. You might get some stronger gusts here and there, but I think by the time most of you guys are done racing, winds shouldn't be a factor there. And lastly, for Sunday marathon day, so remember also in the last video we talked about how there was a frontal boundary coming in and that there were two possible scenarios that might play out here. So the good news is it looks like our models that far out are now starting to agree more on that trend, and it looks like what's going to happen is that front is going to actually slow down and kind of wash out or just fizzle, fade, may not even make it into the Orlando area at all Sunday. So for race morning, Sunday morning, expect temperatures to still probably upper 60s to near 70. Winds do look a bit lighter. They're probably going to stay out of the south because again the front does not look like it's going to actually make it through the area at this point. So it does look like it's still going to be a little bit humid on Sunday morning too. Now let's talk about rain. So mentioned in the last video there's a possibility of some rain Sunday morning just depending on the timing of the front. Again, because that front looks like it's moving a little bit slower, that's actually going to put probably the best rain chances late Saturday into the overnight hours, early Sunday morning. It does look like most of that is going to be cleared out by the time your race starts, which is great news. Of course, depending on what this front does and it's slowing down and it's still going to be humid, you know, you can't totally rule out some showers still happening, but doesn't look like a deluge or, you know, crazy storms moving in or anything at this point at least. So that's good to see, and that the models are coming into some better agreement. So, you know, feel a little bit more confident in saying that. So I'll keep watching things and we'll check back again in a few days.